Hi, little artists!
Welcome to Overcome.
Welcome back to our fun drawing adventure. Today, we're going to draw something super spooky and fun for Halloween. A ghost with a coffee in one hand and a pumpkin in the other. Are you ready to get creative? Let's begin. First, we'll start by drawing the ghost's two funky eyes. Next, we'll add the ghost's face and its curvy, playful body. In one hand, we'll draw a coffee cup because even ghosts love a good cup of coffee. Then, we'll give the ghost a cute hat on top of its head. In the other hand, let's draw a pumpkin. But this isn't just any pumpkin, it's a special Halloween pumpkin. We'll give it funky eyes and a big, happy mouth to make it both spooky and fun. To complete the scene, let's surround our ghost with flying bats, adding that perfect Halloween vibe. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's start with the cream in the coffee cup, keeping it light and creamy. Then, let's focus on the pumpkin. Did you know that pumpkins are a symbol of protection during Halloween? Long ago, people carved faces into pumpkins to scare away evil spirits. We'll use a bright, glowing orange to really make our pumpkin stand out, and don't forget to color its funky eyes and smile. Next, we'll move on to the ghost's hat. Let's make it a bold orange. Orange is one of Halloween's main colors because it reminds us of the warmth of firelight and the fall harvest. We'll also use the same orange for the coffee mug, so everything ties together in a cozy Halloween theme. Finally, add some highlights to make your drawing glow. And there you have it, a fun, friendly Halloween ghost holding a coffee and a glowing pumpkin, surrounded by spooky bats. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and creative videos. Happy Halloween!